Hello Namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Shrutika and today in this video we'll be doing a teaser of Lodha Hinjewadi Phase 3, which is located near Hinjewadi Phase 3, Hinjewadi Pune, and developed by Lodha Groups. And in this video we'll be discussing about Willow Points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before talking about the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you are just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में. Lodha Hinjewadi will be constructed on 15 acres of land parcel consisting of 4 towers. Each tower will be having ground plus 30 floors, having 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK and 3.5 BHK premium residences. And now let's check out the surrounding and the connectivity of the project. As you can see, I am here at the actual location of the project. मेरे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में आप देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस एंड द लैंड पार्सल इन द कंस्ट्रक्शन. Coming to the location part, project is just located near Megapolis Circle, Hinjewadi Phase 3, Hinjewadi Pune. और जो राइट साइड आप रोड देख रहे हैं ये है MIDC Phase 3 रोड, जो कि डायरेक्टली आपको कनेक्ट करता है मेगापोलिस सर्कल से. कमिंग टू द कनेक्टिविटी पार्ट, तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है हिंजेवाड़ी पिरंगुट रोड विद इन 900 मीटर्स, टेक महिंद्रा विद इन 1.1 किलोमीटर and also Capgemini India within 3.1 kilometer. And now coming to the amenities part of the project. Project has 30 plus luxurious amenities like clubhouse, gymnasium, multi-purpose hall, sky terrace and bar, kids play area, senior sit-out area and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Lodha Hinjewadi has 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK and 3.5 BHK premium residences, in which 2 BHK with 800 square feet and 2.5 BHK with 900 square feet and 3 BHK with 1100 square feet and 3.5 BHK with 1300 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project token windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with a 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the token process also. So everyone, this was the teaser of Lodha Hinjewadi Phase 3, which is located near Hinjewadi Phase 3, Hinjewadi Pune and developed by Lodha Groups. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो डू लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. एंड फॉर मोर सच वीडियोस क्लिक ऑन द गिवन बिलो लिंक and do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.